Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 24th. We're looking at what we did yesterday in terms of analysis. We're looking for buys from this point, pushing all up. Give me 1 minute. Let me see. Let me see. Yes. So this is what we was looking for. All right. We had a buys from this point. Very nice buys. Went take profit 1, 2, 3. Over here, and then we had a double top hitting over here, and the market started pushing down once again. So now today we're gonna see, I want to do an analysis and see what we expect from this market. Now, looking at the technical side or the fundamental, sorry, side, today's on Thursday, not Thursday, right? Yeah, today's Thursday. Let's get it. It's quite a busy day today. I know. There's a lot of high impact news coming in today. Here we go. See all of this. Right now we're at 9 a.m. We're expecting the 9 a.m. news coming out. From 10:15, we have all these PMIs coming out. So the market is going to be very volatile. The London session is going to be volatile. New York session is going to be volatile. You can see from 3 p.m. as well. We have the main refinancing rate on the euro, monetary policy on the euro. We have core retail sales on the card, retail sales on the card, and employment claims on the USD. ECB press conference going to be happening from the euro. Then at 4:45, we have the PMI on the dollar and the manufacturing and the service coming out as well. 5 p.m. new home sales. That this is gonna be a busy, busy, busy session today. London and New York is gonna be busy, very busy. So be ready, watch your trades very well, and be very keen on your risk management. Yeah, it's gonna need you to be on toes today. All right, so we're gonna remove all of these and do a fresh new analysis. Price action based on market structure. So basically what we're gonna be using is just simply support and resistance. Okay, there we go. All right, we're gonna use that at the monthly and the weekly and the monthly low, monthly high. We go down to the weekly. We're gonna be using this as the weekly high. You can see them candles been tapping here, go went down, tapped here, went down, tapped here, still it's unable to break above that point. So it's a quite a level. We have these as well. Weekly low. We go down to the daily. And daily, we're gonna pick this from the low over here, say that this is the daily low. Then 4 hours, 4 hours. We are gonna be, sorry, I'm gonna adjust this just a bit over there. So 4 hours, we're gonna be speaking about, this was the low yesterday, but it seems to have been kind of being broken right now. Because if I draw over there, I'm gonna be saying, see, it's an active area that is going broken. So if this candle closes below that point, then we're gonna continue pushing down. So we go to 1 minute, 1 minute. No, not 1 minute, sorry, 1 hour. 1 hour. This is the low over here. So we're gonna use the 1 hour. I'm actually going to use the 1 hour. I'm not going to use the 4 hours as of now. Let's use the 1 hour and say that this is the high over here. All right. We use this as the high and this is the low, where the week this week is over here, or wherever these bodies are, and then we will consider the week as we go down. Right over there, below here, where the market is right now. Okay. We also have another slight 30 minutes high over here. If you're looking at. So I've narrowed it down completely to these levels, and very important for us to observe them. So I'm looking at potential areas where the market can come to stop later on in the day. So we're not going to ignore this point as well. So yeah. On a 30 minutes time frame, You could be talking about waiting for the candle to break above this area for a push up, or break below, just this candle to close below this point, so that at least see somewhere like that. That is the where the bodies are and where this one is. So potential. If we have this candle close and the next one breaks that low, so we're gonna have potential sales below here. We're gonna have potential sales below there. We're gonna have potential buys above this point. Like that. All right. So from that point, we can put a very nice long position, which you expect to go all the way to this point. And then we're gonna have a short position from this point. No, we don't need that. I like your positivity. All right, good. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. I'm going to be looking for a break, but actually, it could do. Actually, let's call this potential aggressive sales. To be honest, let's call them aggressive sales. Yeah, these are aggressive sales. The best sales, I want to pick them below this week. I want to pick the best sales below this week. Over here, candle closing below this point will be the best sales to push down to this point. Safe buys will be above this point. Let me just include that. Potential safe buys over there, and potential safe sells. Potentials over there. So yeah, it being like that now makes a lot of sense. All right. We're gonna be looking at that today. Risk manage your trade very well. Trade what you see, not what you think. And be careful. It's a choppy day. It's gonna be a volatile day. Okay. Watch out. See you in the next one and take care. Again, we have a seminar on Friday coming on to Thika at Eton Hotel. Please, if you can get to Thika at Eton Hotel from around 1 p.m., I will be there live and we're going to be doing a live analysis. We're going to trade together. So come on, come on, come on, be there. You can't afford to miss that seminar happening this Friday, the 25th from 1 p.m. Right? Take care, guys, and see you there. Bye bye.